Hello guys. I had a crash again, so that is the last video. So finally we have 6 videos, you see. So the 7th one will really be the marketing one in 1 week. I'm sorry, there's no outro in the last video, obviously, because again crash. It was obvious. Honestly, I said it in the video. 2 hours of streaming, while I just removed 1 hour and 30 minutes videos. It was obviously a stockage issue. But that's a good point. And instantly, at this moment, I instantly ordered a 2 tera SSD because I wanted to don't have any problem for that or for anything. And during I received my microphone and my light. So now we are ready. We are ready. Yeah, I hope the sound is better, even a little. I think the sound with the Logitech stream cam was not that bad because it was a stream cam and I'm just in front of it and I don't have any sounds, bad sounds around. So I think it was not bad, but I hope with the road it will be better. So during the crash and from last time, I resolved the config issues and everything. I just continued to follow what's a Cloud code. I just follow it and finally, it's live. As you can see, it's fully live in the website. In the A/B testing stuff, I've been in the cohort where it is $10. Yeah, I make myself pay more. Amazing. Now I will need to update these links when I will have create my own links. That's what we will do together now. Like that, I can present the full product in full process live to see and to check that everything is working correctly, to show you how everything is working, and just to enjoy the way to have and finally have in 7 high tower a full live product from problem to product. Okay, the name of the concept will be from ID to product because I will not always create product because I have a problem. But the thumbnail will always be I had a big problem. But you already know it because you are seeing this video number 6 with up thumbnail, but I still didn't did it, so I don't know it. Timeline issue again. So yeah, I will just need to create my link, and when I created my link, I will just upload them there to have real examples and not that fake and ugly stuff. So let's go. I think let's try. I don't know what I can say to you. I just did the work I need to do. I cleaned my README with all the 2 informations with last 2 to do. Oh yeah, good point. I did that during the crash, I forgot, sorry. I ran it the 3 AI commands and request and prompt, who was to ask an optimizations about SEO, an optimization about GEO, and optimizations about security. And if did it really well, he just gave me a full plan about what he want to do for each one, and I just accepted everything. It was really good. Yeah, what you say, really good work from him again. He had some use case stuff, some open API documentation for the GEO, many things like that. Honestly, the video now it's jumping a bit each time, so I will start to be worried. I hope everything will be fine. If not, I will need to start again. I don't know if it is because I did some things and I didn't reboot my computer, or if it is for another reasons. No, I have a lot of USB-C connected into the same port. I have the microphone, the camera, the SSD, and my mouse, who are connected to the same USB-C ports because I have MacBook Air, so 2 USB-C, one with a hub with the 4 I told you, and the other one only for the screen. And yeah, we will see. We will see what it will be. So I go in work mode. I always forgot. So we are done. I did that. I also did the emails on the G Suite workspace. You know, the support, hello, and privacy emails who are necessary because they are to communicate, to contact, and to how to for the term service and privacy stuff. And I just copied the product and the price from the test mode of Stripe to the product mode on Stripe. Easy. Nothing complicated, and nothing else to say, I think. So let's go. I mean, I'm really happy. Honestly, I already tried one link, and I'm really happy that it's working perfectly. You see. So I want that one. So I will. So the one I created, it's this one. So you see, it's said taken. So it's perfect. But the new one, it's Cloud Easy, so get your free link. Link created, check my email and click. When I click on it, instantly, onestore.link Cloud Easy with all the Cloud Easy stuff. Yeah! Come on, it's amazing, no? And I obviously receive an email to activate my link. Oh, I have some design issue. We don't care, it's an email, but yeah. Because it's not a signing one because I already had one, you see. So it don't create my account. It just gives me the information that it's create a new one. So let's say I activate my link, I check my link and see. So I will now just connect on my dashboards. Yay! And I will receive my magic link. Yeah, instant link. Open dashboards. And we can see in the recent, that is the recent, the one I use for the emails. We can see the both email I just received. You see this one. It's just amazing, honestly. So I am connected there. So I can see my two links because I created already Labyrinth with that email. So it's the same. The stats page with the same price. I can back to my links. The settings where I see my informations. I can go to the link. If I do manage billing, oh, that's a good question. I still don't have any products. So what happens if I do that? I will just have some stuff. It's useful. Yeah, no, it's good. The link. So I will take my big issue, man. Wow, we will need to fix that. Wow, the price changed instantly. I think it's because of that. You think it's because of going to the manage thing? If I refresh, what do I have? Wow, okay, it's an issue. So first I will register because I want the price. No, I will need to first to ask the AI why I was trying the product. I am login. I have two links and still no subscriptions. I was in the 9.9 cohort. About price. I've seen that price on the home page. I've seen that price on the dashboard page. And the lockers and everything. I click on manage my billings. on manage my billings on the settings page, bin redirect to Stripe, and when I came back to my dashboard, I was seeing the $2 price, and it's not even the default price, so yeah, it's really weird. We will see. We will see. Okay, so onestore.link. So okay, this is good. We can close. Recent we can close. I'm closing step by step because it's done. I don't need. You see here I'm seeing 499. Why it's changing again? So yeah, I'm updating this. I will create this too, and after I will ask him to update and repush. Here I try to repush the fix, so we will see if it is working or not. But it's a good occasion to show you how the continuous deployment is working. So you see here in the code, I just push my update, and here the actions is doing the both deployment. In the last video yesterday, if you remember, I told you it was weird that in one of them, the actions, GitHub actions was deploying into the CloudFlare, and in the other one, CloudFlare was getting the project. It was two different ways. So I merged that inside one way with GitHub actions are doing the deployment to CloudFlare. It's easier to have the same, it makes more sense. If something breaks, it's break and not weird. So it's clearly better. So I will just create my two other link, you see. Okay. Ooh, yeah, this one. Create link, yay! And the project and the app you need to download for sure. Pitch Farmer, my guy. Pitch Farmer TCG, yes! Nah, you really need to try it. Pitch Farmer, I prefer it like that. So I create it and I have all my links. Amazing. And now I can tell him to do that. And like that I will be able to try it in PNPM, yeah, PNPM run dev. I will be able to test it in local to see if I really have the good information, and if I have really good information for the last created links, I will be able to push them to have them in productions. Yeah, okay. So imagine now I am here in the link and I can see the 299, 499. Maybe it's refreshed and I'm inside another. Yeah, okay. At least it's the same price. I will do that. We don't know, maybe it will change it again. Yeah, we come back. And we have. Oops, sorry, I always think it will be the same color. Maybe I will need to check. Okay, same price. Okay, still same price. I'm just worried about if it is not just this price for everybody. Wait a minute, I will try it on my phone with another IP. It will probably be better, no? I think it's the only way to try. I'm not sure. Maybe. Okay, 499 on my phones too. Okay, the only solutions I have to be sure it's not the same, and hoping it will not be the same by random. It's this one. It's a virtual machine. Who are in France, and it's a Windows one, and I'm connecting to nothing to it, so I'm sure I will not do link. That's a problem to don't know how they do the cohort and to don't read what they say there. So we'll see. But okay, at least for the moment. I just need to check that the other one is not 499, you see. So yeah, when I create a link, still I have this stuff. In the activate link email, the logo is too close to the text. The app icon is too close to the text. Maybe I should let him finish first, but too late. Oh yeah, that is the security stuff we hated. He prevents SQL injection on the analytics, he put like rate limit, a GWT, validation and experiment, the leakage, of course, and everything. He really did a good work about that. So GEO, he did all of that, but no, sorry, that is the plain. The GEO, he did all of that, you see. So a page, a link, the FAQ and everything with more information. He had some questions and everything like that. The AI who maps the site can have more information. Same for SEO. When the robot, Google and everything are mapping, they have the site map and robot, for example, with classical stuff. He had a local when you have different countries. So it's not a really good work from him. So I will upgrade to Pro. Upgrade now. It's a failure. Okay, now I see 999 on everybody, and the upgrade button failed. Do nothing. So we will see. We will let him do the work, and after we will see. So as you see, we did everything, and the product is kind of finished. Okay, I just need to do that two things, two issues about the A/B testing of the price, and about making the link to work. But except that, everything is working really well. And I just have two tasks I want for the future. More user, so you can share the access to your link to another user, and custom domain. And custom domain, because it can be really useful and something people want. To give you an example, that should mean I will not have a onestore.link /pitch farmer, but I will have join.pitchfarmer, and that will redirect to the page at the app stores. If you want, I can try. Look, I will copy that. I will try it on my phone, because that is the main thing. The main goal is to see if it's redirecting me to the stores. And you see, it's redirecting me. That is really amazing. I'm really happy because, yeah, finally it's done. And it's really useful. As you see, I have many apps and I will have more incoming. So it's really useful to have that kind of product, even just for myself, and because it's easy to use. I will try the others one. Too complicated. Increase the gap between icon and text from 12 to, and added margin right to the icon. Perfect. And recent link. Okay. And if I try local, this one, those informations in the main page are good. Yeah, you see, perfect. I have the informations and I have the links. What else I can ask? What else I can ask? Nothing, I think. Hey, yeah, it's also a reference to my own apps. So why complain? No need. You see, he had a lot of things, the questions and everything. So like that, I have the informations. In the SEO, same things. I have more information. It's better for the referencement, for the SEO and the GEO. So that is a good point. This video will be clearly more short than the previous one because it's done. It's just the final presentations, the quick fix, and the final presentations. And tomorrow it will be the stats. So be aware. Be aware of tomorrow. We will check in 1 week if we have a lot of links who have been created on it. If we have 0 link created by that, we will see. It will be a surprise. We will check the analytics together. We did product thinking and product development from the 5 past day. Today we do a check, and tomorrow we will see the analytics. We will see the plan we have based on that analytics, because if we have 0 or if we have a lot of links, that will change everything about what we plan to do about analytics and how we improve our marketing or SEO and everything. And we'll talk a lot about that. We'll see if we have some return and some, for example, customer features propositions. Maybe they will want the custom domain quickly. In that case, we will play in it. Maybe they want a new user. If a big agency, for example, come and directly click on it. So we will see. We will see that it can be really useful, I think. Tomorrow will be really interesting stuff. For you, it's tomorrow. For me, it's in 1 week too. Because these videos will go out for me next week. But for you, this week, and yeah. Timeline stuff, I need to stop to say that. But it's weird. But that means I will have now, after that video, I will just plan my next week content stuff. I will export the videos and everything. So with that video, I will have 6 videos for the next week, planify them, deployment, and then them submissions. Wow, come on, I will already have that will be done. It's really good. I'm really happy to do that content, and the frequency looked to be something important on YouTube. So as it is something important, if I upload between 1 hour and 2 hours of video each day, so I cannot say it's not a good part or something good. It's obviously good. Yeah. Yeah, I have that because I want to see myself as a customer soon. CloudFlare, we don't care, it's working. GitHub, now we just finished that and it will be done. That is done. I just want to try the upgrade. The clock easy, okay, it's done. I need to move that links and use that link on the website and showcase of each product. So now I can. Even the labyrinth knows that means I can share my labyrinth link with my friend and everything without asking them, do you have an iOS on Android? Perfect. And even more perfect when you do some, because I do that for my friend and family, but when you do meta ads or stuff like that, it's better to have one link if you do something like that. Okay, mostly they connect directly to you do a campaign for iOS and a campaign for Android and they connect directly to the store, but if you have a link in, for example, my link tree, for example, in my link tree I will not have labyrinth iOS, labyrinth Android, I want one link. So in my link tree I will be able to put that links. So that isn't a good idea. And you see that's a little paper with a product. Yeah, that is a paper post-it with a product ID. And it's down. It's down. It's done by doing what we have, of course, a lot of work of analysis and marketing for tomorrow. I don't remember the name of my own product. By the way, everything is working well. Yeah. Sounds to be good. Sounds to be good. 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 Come on. Yeah, deployment kind of long. Okay, honestly, this one is quick. Sometimes my API is 5 minutes, and when you generate an Expo React Native mobile applications, it's at least 15 minutes by OS, and sometimes 25 minutes for Android. So I will not complain about 3-4 minutes of deployment for that project, clearly. 232, not 324. Okay, that's good. I don't know if I still have the same price everywhere. Oh, the shadow is probably okay. Yeah. Upgrade to Pro. Not a good thing. Doing it in HTTP 50. Yes, you see, no, I manage that as if I know it. Because I did some fix, you see, I have all this information, everything. Yeah. Wrangler. It's to allow tracking what I'm checking there with each request and everything and the status of each request. I will be able to do it on the web. I want to try both. I want to have information on both. Because if I have an issue and everything, it's clearly better to find from where it is. You see here, I can see I have an error on the SQLite and everything, constraint fail and everything. From the real error from the log, this is happening when get price for user try to insert into experimental table as foreign key experiments, referencing experiments table, but auto pricing. Why are we still talking about auto pricing when we say we fully delete it? My RAM will stay alive? It's so bad. I should not do that kind of try. To run two Cloud Run at the same time. It's not a good idea. Honestly, I hope it's a good idea because of the SSD and this thing, and maybe it will not make it too complicated. I will try to. Now I have a full setup. The only things I can maybe upgrade is my RAM on my MacBook Air, but I will try to challenge it more and more to see until where it can go, and if it is enough, if I can run two clouds, stuff like that, I don't need to change it. And if I need, and I will do it. But for the moment, I think in Dustin we remove auto pricing. That means we remove the A/B testing. But no. It's just because obviously we do A/B testing for everything and every time, and you got the information from Stripe. You don't need an experiment inside the database who will say this user is an auto pricing, this user is an auto pricing, because they are all auto pricing. Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm kind of bored. It's 7 p.m. You see? How you mean? I remember yesterday me in the same place just after the swimming, trying to do a video again for the crash and everything. Honestly, I didn't see the day of today passing. It was so quick. I mean, I wake up, I predicted nothing, I just came directly to you and did the 2 hours of video. It's crashed. It crashed. I was sad. I did a call with a friend, and after that I just find some founders villa to go to a Bali founders villa just to enjoy 1 month in Bali. I received my stuff, my microphone, my light and everything, and installed everything, cooked, and I'm here back, and it's 7 p.m. already. I mean, wow, so fast. Why he delete that? You see, sometimes I don't understand. because I asked him. Because I asked him. To have observability enable, but even when I deploy this file, it stays disabled. So done. Logic remove, experiment, get price, get price deleted, and DAX D1 row cleaning for both. From Stripe produce first check. He did what I. Maybe I'm not clear in my explanations because I am hungry and I want it to be finished. But that's a good point. So yes, maybe that's really interesting, this one, because you just see me doing configuration again and I'm not speaking a lot. What do you want me to talk about? Just ask me. We can talk about a lot of things. Maybe that's why a live stream can be more fun, because that means I can interact with you while that kind of stuff is doing. I will think about it. Honestly, if I just do 1-2 hours of video each time, I can do various stream maybe. I will think about it. I don't know how I will do, but I think there's something to do. But I will interact with nobody because I have 3 followers, me and a friend. Yeah, I sent my channel to nobody because the first video was so bad. For you now, the channel have 6 videos, but or more. But when I'm running this video now, I only have one online, and it's not a good one. With a crash and with my language and with optimization, with the ultra wide format, it's like nothing is wrong. Nothing is well with that. Everything wrong. Let's go. Oh, we have for 2 minutes and 30 seconds again. So long. And I will wait. That you see that is a shadow. It's a window. It's a Windows and that's why I have it. It's because like that I am able to play some games. For example, big ambitions. The best tycoon game ever. You manage money and everything. Really, it's amazing. And it's from a company who also did a startup company with a game where you create your Netflix or your Amazon, your platform, and you manage your developer, designer, and everything. It's really amazing. It's 2 amazing games, and they are my reference because I want to create a mobile game, a tycoon mobile game, but not the current tycoon as is existing now. Something bigger, something with multiplayer, something where you have a map and you have other player next to you and everything. Something really, really good, interesting, staying simple for the mobile and with a good economy and a good management, of course. And I think it can be really interesting. I already have something in mind, and we will talk about it in another one because it will be it will be another series of product for ID to product. So you will see it during 1 week. Yeah. It's really good, and I am impatient to start the development of that project. As you see, I have a lot of ideas. So we will see. And now that I have all the setup and everything, if my concept of ID to product it's taking me 1 day, it's need to take me, it will be perfect. That means in my week I will have 6 days to manage all my products and 1 day to create a new product. And I can do that and have a good rate about my stuff. After I need to see if I do other videos on this concept to show you what I'm doing in my daily life for my project, for the marketing, the optimization, the thinking and everything. Also the features I'm developing for Pitch Farmer with my main project, so it's where I spend the most time. We need to check and to see together. I don't know, I will think about some other concept like that. I want to see if it enables tracking. Yeah, it enables observability. Perfect. So now let's try. Which price I have? Oh, okay. So I am in another one, but that means I am in another one. It's the same, that's this one. That is a good point. That is a good point. And this link is working. Amazing. Okay. Wait. I go back. Now, with everything happens, I need to try a lot of things, okay, before to be sure it's working correctly. Because I don't want someone to go to the manage billings, to come back on my app and see another price. When you have two different people who check and see different price, it's not an issue. You can see a different price. Testing a price, it's for me no more. And when you see now the hotels and everything, the flights, everybody is aware that nobody has the same price. I checked flights with a friend, and the price for my luggage was twice the price for him luggage. Exactly the same website, exactly the same weight, the same size of luggage. Just dynamic pricing, man. So this one is $299, so that means it's exactly what I hoped. And if I go on onestore.link, .link here, I don't know what I will have, but that means I will have something different. I have a $299. Yeah, okay, but it's different. I don't know which difference I can see even more. One link, same. So A/B tastings sounds to be kind of similar. I admit it. But I cannot say I don't have something different in my private sessions, so it's different, of course, but one link every store, $199. I will just ask him, are you sure the rest of the A/B testing Pro, Hero, and CTA are well activated? Just to be sure. But that means I don't need anymore this. The shadow, don't need anymore. We will close it. Just checking if this is good. No seed file, that's why. Yeah, we didn't trade. We didn't do the run. We need to run that. Yes, exactly. At the moment that changed, that means it's working. I will just try it in private navigations, and after I will take the billing. I will try the billing, and it will be perfect. Okay, it's different. Okay, yeah, it's good. At the moment, something can be different. That means it's good. You see. Okay, perfect. So now I go back to my dashboard. I upgrade my pro stuff. Yeah, Peach Farmer. I get the informations. I reload. I will have the informations. I will just check my emails. Wrong one. Oh yeah, this one. So like that I will pay. Look to be working now. Look to be working. Transaction confirmations from my account and from Stripe too. That is a date. I have the states here. Yay! For the moment, no data, of course. If I am going here, oh yeah, I see myself as customers. I will see myself on customers with a price of $3.99. So it's in dirham, of course. Okay, but yes, that's equivalent of $3.99. Up, I just click on it. Okay, and now I will do. I see I have my monthly billing. Okay. I can clean that, I can clean GitHub, and I will upgrade. Oh, I forgot about the zoom in the cursor. I need to be aware of that. Sorry. Upgrade my labyrinth. Upgrade, and normally will instantly be deducted on money. And see this stuff into subscriptions. Yeah, quantity, amazing. What is asking the world, man? Perfect. So you see, that is a fully live product. Easy peasy. So now the point is, do yours. Check my video, but while you check my video, do yours. As you see, we have time while the Claude code is coding. So you can watch my video, and at the same time, you can do your own product. That is a concept. It's to show you that everything of that is possible. You can do it easily. You can do your product. Maybe we'll put some more time. Maybe you already have a main work as a waiter or something. I don't care. You can put, you see, 1-2 hours each day. Even if you put 1 month with the AI, it's nothing compared to staying all your life in a life you don't like. So if you don't like your life, just do it. If you like your life, do it or don't do it. Just watch my video. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to comment. Here, with that, with a full live product, you can just comment your link. Comment the onestore.link with your app, your own OneStore link with your own app. Do your commercial there in the comments. Only with the onestore.link. All other link will be killed. But if you do your commercial with that link, I let it. So, and we can do a call and a podcast with the link of onestore.link and the app who have the most like on him comments. If someone posts onestore.link and have the most like and his top comments with that link, we will plan to do a video call together or even to meet. I can take a plane, I don't know, that depends where you are and if I have the motivations. Don't forget my freedom is the more important. But at least we take a coffee in podcast video like that and we record it. And we do the advertisement of your fucking app. It's amazing. Just do it. Just live your life. Just enjoy. What else to say? See you tomorrow for the marketing.